A logo. The row at Red Hill. Text. Equal housing opportunity. Traffic moves through a tree-lined divided avenue. A woman turns off the alarm on her cell phone and gets out of bed. She moves to the kitchen and opens a cupboard. A Keurig machine pours coffee into a cup labeled a row. The modern brick apartment building is a large square. In their apartment, a woman and a man sit with coffee and a tan dog runs to greet them. Outdoor lights spell. The row. Two women stroll to the Row Fit Club. The ground floor, sunlit area has many fitness machines. They go upstairs to work out in a studio with walls of windows. A couple enter a salt room, its walls made of bricks of pink salt. Another area has reclined lounge chairs and a fountain. Part of the Fit Club has free weights and strength training machines. A man exits the men's sauna. The adjoining locker room has tall mirrors and wooden lockers. A woman uses her fob to enter the Zoom room. In a private cubicle, she opens her laptop and an on-air sign illuminates. Outside, a woman walks her dog. She enters a fenced dog play area. Two people relax in a lounge with tall windows. The mailroom has a mural and hanging chandelier above locked boxes. There is a pool and game room with foosball. Several people swim in the rectangular outdoor pool, which is an oversized lounge couch between stairs at the shallow end. At one end of the pool, a huge screen is showing a basketball game. A man and woman walk towards a separate hot tub that has a waterfall. The pool has lounge chairs and a pergola for shade. A wall sign. The parlor. People visit with drinks in a cushioned seating area. A pool table is near the seating area. Chairs are below decorative shelving. People play tabletop shuffleboard. An arrow on a sign points to the sunset pool deck. The lap pool is on the rooftop of the tall building. A man swims laps in the narrower pool as the sky glows orange. On the pool deck, people lounge in chairs near an outdoor gas fire with fake logs. The kitchen has an island counter with stools. A woman reads in bed. Another woman turns out a light. A motorcycle approaches the secure parking garage. The driver takes off his helmet, then enters his apartment. He sits down on the couch and uses his cell phone. Text. The row at Red Hill, equal housing opportunity.